What's up and welcome back. Today we're going to be walking around a 1966 Impala Convertible. This one here has a believed to be 327 under the hood with power steering. Pretty open engine bay right here, nice and clean. I'm going to be walking around pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. We do this with every car on the lot. MapleMotors.com is my main website. Go there, check it out, look at the detailed pictures, check out the finance and shipping option. We got it all set up for you with frequently asked questions. That way you know your way around. We also have a new TikTok, Maple Motors Muscle Cars is what it's called. So check it out. And check out our Snapchat and Instagram. We're gonna get started here. So what I like to do is I'll go around all the lower portions first, come back to midsection, look over the top, drop the top, check the interior, give you undercarriage shots, and start the car up. We're also gonna do a test drive, so I'm gonna go down these lower portions first. Let's go. Front bumper on this one's got some pitting, light scratches. There's a little dent right there in the trim. Coming up over the fender, you can see there's a chip in the paint right there. Tires are in good shape. You got some paint runs, couple chips. Coming down the lower portion. Let's see, looks like this has been worked at some point. You got some chips, light scratches, couple touch-up marks. Also the same thing going on in the corner with a little paint run, couple chips and light scratches. The paint job on this one is not in perfect condition at all. You can see you have a little bit of rust popping through on the corner there. Also right here you got a chip. And of course it looks like a little bubble trying to pop out right there in the corner. Around the back you've got some scars on the bumper. Coming back to midsection. Some light chips. And the paint's trying to come off on the trim there. You got some cracking right above it. And right there, fitting on the door handle. Coming through the top section. Paint is oxidized, flat. Just a couple scratches, touch-up marks, front windshield. It's in pretty good shape. It's not all beat up. The trim looks okay around it too. You got some pitting popping up on your mirror. The top looks to be in pretty good shape. Coming down the back end, light scratch right there, a couple little spots there, and in the corner here. We've also got some touch-up marks. Coming around the back, some cracking. Let's go down the lower portion on this side too. See on the back here, this back quarter has been fixed. Same with right here. You got a lot of chips in your door. A little cracking in the paint down here. The bottom there's got some rust popping up. Chemical peel right there. Over the fender. Light scratches. See, the paint's like that all over. Lots of little scratches and chips. Oh, I gotta go this way, sorry. Shadow was in the way. Light scratch there and here. The top of the fender. Also got some right there. Some pitting popping up on the door handle. Chips on the door. Scratch down the side. I must say, car could use a paint job. It's got lots of defects. Cracking. Chemical peel right there, a little cracked. Scratch on top. Let me grab the keys out of here. I need to open this trunk up. Looks like this top here is not in bad shape at all. It looks pretty good. It's fairly new. Interior looks pretty good too. Let me grab the keys out of the ignition here. We're gonna open the trunk. Is it the red key? It's not. Is it this one? It's not. You better open with this one. You serious? Oh, okay. I was about to say. Get some rust popping up on the edge there. Weather stripping looks pretty good around the trunk. The trunk itself actually looks pretty clean. Not too bad. You can tell they sprayed some of that spatter in here. But yeah, for the most part, it looks pretty solid, pretty good. Pretty good. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's see how easy it comes down and shuts. Just checking it one more time again. Some cracking going on there. And it shuts very easy. Let's check this interior out. Coming up on the door panel here. Weather stripping seems to be pretty good. Looking down the bottom portion of the door. Not in bad shape. There's a little spot there torn at the bottom of the panel. You've got some dry cracking on top here. A little fading. Carpet's the same condition as the door panel. A little fading here and there. Seat looks great. Couldn't ask for too much better. It's really clean. Not tore up. Doesn't look to be faded. Top looks good on the inside. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one though? A little game we like to play. And I'm getting used to the summer seats. They're hot. Starts up easy enough. We're taking this top down. You know that, right? Woo! We got a horn. What a winner. Wiper works. None of the clocks have been working here lately. Radio looks like it might not work. It does not. Blower motor is blowing on my legs right now. No way to see. Gas gauge is up to quarter tank. Sounds pretty good. Showing 60,000 miles on the dash. Hard to stand behind that. Let's drop this top. A little stiff there. Your visor's got a little bit of a stitching issue there. All right, here we go. Switch under the dash. Let's drop the top. Other way, other way. Yes. Coming down good. To be huge. Okay, we got her down. Let's try these windows out. Well, it's pretty smooth. Oh, tiller right there. Still smooth. Let's try the back. Not bad. She's got a good exhaust sound too. This one's very smooth. Very smooth. I like. Good deal. Made it all the way around this ride. Let's check this motor out. Just purring like a kid. Okay. Under the hood, insulation's a little bit worn, but still there. We got some rust trying to pop through on the bottom side of the hood from all the chips. Coming down with it, it's very easy. Just kind of pushing her down, and she's locked up. All right, I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots. We're gonna look up under the front, go all the way around the car. Check out the test drive video. That way you can see a lit undercarriage shot and kind of get a good idea of how she runs and drives. Let's look under. All right, I do appreciate y'all watching. Hit that subscribe button. Check out our new TikTok channel. It shows you behind the scenes here at Maple Motors. TikTok is under Maple Motors Muscle Cars. Be sure to subscribe to that one. It's brand new, just posted it today, so I put about 6 or 7 videos on it, and I'll continue to do so. Also check out our Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and of course all the videos here on YouTube will help you out and let you know everything about these cars. All right, we're going for a test drive. Video's popping up here in just a moment. Click on it and let's go for a ride. I'll see you later.